Hello everyone, my name is CSPWAQAR-HASSAN and today we will discuss the uses of prepositions for and of in sentences. For and of are used with adjectives, but to use for or of with an adjective, they require certain explanation of rules. So first of all, we are going to discuss how to use the preposition for with adjectives to make sentences. The rule is that after some adjectives, we can use for with an object and an infinitive to make sentences. Let's take an example in this regard. It is important for aspirants to understand the significance of book reading in CSS. In this example, we have placed an object with the preposition for, and then we have placed an infinitive to complete the sentence. Let's take another example. It is safe for him to drive during the daytime. In this example, I have applied the same structure by placing an object with the preposition for, and then we have placed an infinitive to complete the sentence. Now we will discuss the use of preposition of in sentences. We place the preposition of after an adjective when we intend to describe how someone behaves. Let's take an example to explain this concept. It was polite of Aslam to send a letter of apology. In this example, we are reflecting the behavior of Aslam. So we have placed preposition of here. Let's take another example to make it more clear. It is mad of him to call the police. In this example, the use of preposition of reflects the behavior of him. So these examples clearly demonstrate how to use this preposition in sentences. Keep watching and leave a comment regarding this lecture. Thank you so much.